Sagutin lang natin 'to ng broker sir sa stock market. So maraming broker diyan 'no, and you can even use e-wallet as your form or as your platform for your investment. But for me, it's COL Financial, and you can trade or you can invest with them through their website colfinancial.com or with their app. So, yun lang. Kumpleto na rin doon lahat. Investment guides, technical analysis, fundamental analysis ng each companies. They also have seminars. So, yun, pwede nyo attendan yun. Fundamentals, technicals, and a lot more. So, Outlook, yun, meron sila. And sometimes they do their summit as well. And you can also follow them sa YouTube. Napakarami nilang media, no? Napakarami nilang form to help people like us, mga retail investors, to stay updated and also be an informed investor. So yun, lahat ng lahat ng form, no. So I what I like about them is that they're very sincere pagdating sa pagbibigay ng knowledge. So they're not withholding any information. And also ayun, may mga guides na doon, no? So if you're buying or what's the target, etc., etc. So it's all about their analysis, no? So it's a guide, it's an investment guide. So it's up to you kung gusto niyo i-follow 'yon or you have your own research or analysis. But if you are a beginner, I highly suggest that you do peso cost averaging sa investment, and you go long term. So yun lang. Basta when it comes to stock market or with stocks investing, you go long term and yun, invest with companies that has value. Yung mga alam naman natin yan, makikita naman natin sa paligid natin yan kung ano talaga yung mga successful na businesses, no. So napakarami nilang branches and napakalalaki ng mga establishments nila. So we all know kung sino-sino yung mga yan. And usually, sila-sila rin yung may hawak ng mga publicly listed companies, no. So isang company, hawak niya mga 5 or marami pa na publicly listed companies. So ayun, also meron ding mga mutual funds diyan. So yun din. It's like a marketplace. So iba't iba, no. So merong money market, balance fund, merong ang mga aggressive na mutual fund is like yung mga feeder funds, like mga global technology feeder funds and healthcare feeder funds, yun. So you can be invested with the AI race, yun. So if you like to be involved with AI, so you can start with mutual funds, you can start with technology feeder funds, regardless of what company or what institution yung nag-handle niyan. So you can be involved with the AI race or with the technology. So yun naman talaga sa panahon natin ngayon, it's all about the technology. Yan talaga yung booming na, kumbaga parang during the time of 90s, yung internet naman yung pinaka-hot na investment, no, na stock or mga internet related yon. So ngayon, it's all about AI related na mga stocks or mga companies. So that's it. Ayun, you can check yung COL Financial. So search nyo na lang with Google. So that's it.